Withdrawing money from Discord after your account has been reviewed can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Log into your Discord account. Start by logging into your Discord account on the desktop Apple website. Make sure you use the account that has been approved for withdrawals. Step 2. Access user settings. Once logged in, click on the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen to open your user settings. This is where you can manage your account details. Step 3. Navigate to Payment Settings. In the User Settings menu, look for the Payments or Billing section. Click on it to view your payment methods and withdrawal options. Step 4. Select Withdrawal Method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the shr.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm withdrawal. After selecting your withdrawal method, enter the necessary details and confirm the withdrawal request. Make sure to double-check your information to avoid any errors. Once you have completed these steps, your withdrawal request will be processed. Keep an eye on your payment method for the funds to arrive. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Discord support for assistance.